In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically change your Discord status. 2025 Easy Guide. We'll keep this simple and practical, so by the end, you'll know exactly how to set your presence in Discord and let it switch to idle automatically without any extra tools or complicated setup. This works on both desktop and mobile, so use whichever you prefer. Start by opening Discord. On desktop, look to the bottom left corner of the app. You'll see your profile avatar there. Click it to open your status menu. On mobile, open the app and tap your profile avatar to access the same status options. This menu is where you pick how you appear to others, and it's the fastest way to control your availability. Now choose the status that fits what you're doing. Online tells your friends and communities you're active and available. Idle is a lighter, away style state. Discord also uses this automatically if you step away for a bit. Do not disturb is best when you need focus because it indicates you're busy and suppresses message notifications from pinging you. Invisible allows you to use Discord while appearing offline. You'll still receive messages, but others won't see you as active. Pick whichever matches your current workflow or mood. If your goal is simple automation, here's the easiest part. Just let Discord do the work. When you stay inactive for a short period, Discord will automatically switch your status to idle. You don't need to install anything, grant permissions, or configure timers. When you return and start interacting again, your status updates accordingly. It's a hands-off way to let your presence reflect your activity, which is ideal for quick breaks, stepping away from your desk, or pausing on mobile without manually toggling anything each time. A couple of tips to keep it smooth. Make a habit of opening the status menu whenever your availability changes significantly, like when you're starting deep work or hopping into a call. Choose Do Not Disturb if you want to minimize interruptions, and remember that invisible is great when you want privacy while still staying connected. If you ever feel uncertain about what others see, revisit that avatar menu. It always shows your current status and lets you switch back in a tap or click. That's all you need for a clean, reliable setup. Open Discord, tap your profile avatar, pick your status, and let the app automatically set you to idle when you're away. It's the simplest form of automation and requires zero setup. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more effortless Discord presence.